Just got off a Flix bus. It was like a 2-hour ride from hour and a half ride from Lisbon, and we are in Navarre. No, oh, not Navarre. We're in Nazaré. Sorry, I've been messing that up this whole time. But yeah, we're excited. We're gonna go see some awesome views. We're headed to get some breakfast right now, and we'll take you along.
Hello!
Hi.
So we're here in Nazaré.
It's hot.
Here in Nazaré there's a fort. It's called Fort de Sal. It's at the top of this cliff as that you can see here. Well, you can't see much of it right now, but it's this huge cliff that juts out from the beach. At the top of it there's a fort, and supposedly on the other side of it you're supposed to see huge waves. Like, it's actually where the world record for the largest wave surfed is. It's 115 feet. So looking now though, there's no waves on this side, so we'll see what the waves are like on the other side. But
that's where we were a second ago.
Yeah,
way down there on that beach.
And the problem is normally there's this lift for a few euros that you could take to go all the way up to the top, but we found out that it is under construction until June, so we are having to walk.
About halfway up now. It looks like the rest of it is all stairs, and if you know me, you know your girl is not athletic, so it's gonna be fun.
We'll show you the way. Come with us. You can see all of Nazaré. Yeah, leg day. When we go back, we're just going to roll down the hill.
I'm the cardboard box. Slide down it.
Break number 2.
Just here for the view.
Yeah. Break number 3. We're just getting to there. I do think walking around Lisbon has helped us with this.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We made it!
Almost.
Yeah, there's just a few steps left, but as you can see, this is where the lift is supposed to go, and it is not running.
But we thought we
Lucky
were
for
going
us.
to get to ride there.
But you know, a little extra exercise doesn't hurt anybody. But if we hadn't spent the last month in Lisbon, we would have definitely been screwed. That's a steep climb. We made it!
We are at the top.
We're at Nazaré Beach.
Well,
Or Nazaré town, actually. That has a beach.
up on top of one of the lookouts over the cliffs. We're still looking over the calmer side of the beach, and next we'll head over to try to see if there's any big waves today.
Let's go. Alright, so we made it over the top. It's actually a really cute town at the top of the mountain or hill or whatever. I didn't know that. And then you can see off in the distance, you can see where the waves are. They're not quite as big as I thought they would be. I guess it's just, you know, it's just a calm day. The waves do look nice though. And then there's also a little lighthouse thing down there at the end. So we're actually gonna walk down there. Looks like there'll be some more good views.
See what we can see.
All right.
Hello.
Hey, all right, we made it. So we're at the tip of the point. You can see some of the waves. So Cassie looked it up, and it said there's actually just medium waves today.
So there's like a forecast for Nazaré, kind of like the weather or something, but for the wave height. So for this week, it's medium waves. So that means anywhere from 10 to 20 feet. I feel like they're not ginormous today, but they're definitely more than 10 feet, at least from what it looks like from up here.
Yeah, there's
I'm sure it looks way bigger as one of the people riding the waves.
Yeah, so there's a few surfers out there, so we saw them catch a few of the waves, so that was cool. But yeah, it's crazy, it's beautiful. Got some great drone footage. All right, we'll see you at the beach.
He's essentially ice bathing right now. It is not swimming season. It is freezing cold inside the water. It feels good out here in suit because of the sunshine. However, she's insane. But it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so that's my husband, y'all.
That's the end of our beach day.
It's been a wonderful day. It was a bumpy ride to get here on a bus, but totally worth it.
Yeah, we got about 30 minutes left before we have to get to our bus, or before our bus leaves actually, so we need to get there a little bit before. But look at that sunset. Look at this whole landscape.
It's the perfect ending.
It's crazy.
We just had a wonderful meal with a view of the sunset, and we're just gonna sit here and enjoy it while we can.
Yeah, well, the little time that we got left. I don't know if you can tell, my face is a little burnt today. But yeah, I couldn't ask for a better day.
It's been great.
Bye.